This process that you can apply on any iPhone 6s to 13 Pro Max. If you faced shaking, blurry, and making noise while opening camera, then this video helps to fix your camera related issues. Here you can see while the camera is open, the lens is shaking and making noise. While you switch to slow-mo, then looks normal. But in other modes, the story was the same, like shaking and making noise. Here you can see and hear the camera lens shaking and producing noisy sound. This is a camera related issue. The camera module itself is damaged, but you can fix it with a piece of small magnet. Let's follow the process. The magnet should be small and powerful. Place the magnet backside just below the camera. After doing this, you can easily fix that issues like that. If you don't have any iPhone opening idea, and in the case of an emergency, you just follow the process. If you have iPhone disassembly knowledge, then you can put it inside like that. This will fix such shaking issues permanently. No doubt, this will affect the quality of the performance of the camera. The permanent solution is to replace the camera module. Hope you can fix the camera shaking problem on your iPhone with this. That's it. We hope this video has helped you to fix the camera shaking issues. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.